NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones has seen a good beating yesterday, taking them close to 33,000 levels, and in fact US 100 at 11,300 levels. Now we have seen them getting good support there. So now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit. Before I come up with my next analysis and next targets before the US cash session, till then, which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is certainly missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, and trade as per the levels. Also remember, today it is an important day for the US indices. Today is the triple witching day where futures and options for the indices are going to expire, which means that the volatility may prevail. Also, this means that if it has traded bearish till yesterday, possibly today it may try to rise a bit. That is my expectation. But let's have a look with the help of analysis. Let's start. First NASDAQ 100, followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts. See, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakdown, minor consolidation, breakdown sharp, and now again consolidation. So first thing is, let it drop below 11,300 levels. Yes, if you see NASDAQ 100 trading below 11,300, it may show you potential bearishness. At the same time, above 11,400 you can buy for 11,440, 480, and then beyond that further movement can take it till towards 11,600 levels. So now this is very simple for the day. Do not trade between 11,300 and 400 levels. Now if you look closely at the hourly chart, see the bottom there very clearly, getting the supports on the downside, at the same time getting the resistance on the upside. Now see this, here it has got very strong support at 11,350, then 11,300. Yes, you can sell there at 11,300. I will say not 350 but 11,330 levels or 20 levels, but then expect 11,300 as a very good support. On the upside you can buy at 11,400. So for this 100 points, rather refrain from trading NASDAQ 100. Directional movement bearish, stochastic has seen a little rise. The MACD here has crossed over at the bottom and now trying to trade with a rise. See, if it is crossed over at the top, it has shown a good drop. If it is crossing over at the bottom, it can show you a little rise. The RSI was trading oversold. It is trying to come out of this. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now on the 2-hour charts also higher lows are seen. Wait for it to break past these lows, then only little bearishness to be seen. At the same time, breaking past this highs, you can expect little bullishness. So 11,400 certainly be a very good support level for it to break past and sustain the bullish momentum. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, and now looking upwards. The MACD is bearish and trying to converge. The RSI on the 2-hour charts is trading extremely oversold. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, there is a contraindication. Now see, sharp drop, retracement, and yes, if it breaks past this zone at 11,300, consider that it may trade bearish for the day, possibility there. Then we can expect it to hit 11,200 and below levels. Now see this, it has failed to surpass the highs, and if it breaks past 11,400, consider that it is showing you the strength for it to break past 11,500 also. Right now it is giving you higher lows, which also indicates that there is potential for it to trade bullish. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, trying to come out of this oversold zone. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. The potential for it to converge crossover exists. RSI is trading at the bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the observation. Waiting for a breakout. Either which ways, it is going to be a good breakout. On the upside 11,500, on the downside 11,200 levels to be seen. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading oversold, and which gives the potential for it to rise. The MACD is bearish. It has seen the potential peak, and from here it must converge. The RSI trading at the bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, look at the behavior of NASDAQ 100. Rise, retracement, single candle, multiple candles erasing the gains. multiple candles rise and then it is erased again. Now this time it has breached the previous support at 11,500 400 and in fact has come back till towards 11,300 levels. Now trading below 11,300, yes, more bearishness to be seen, and one must observe that see the swing from close to 12,200 levels to 11,300 to levels. Almost 1,000 points are done, and the median of these points is almost at, you can say, 500 points, which makes it tilt towards 11,800 levels. So only bullishness in Nasdaq 100 is confirmation if it trades above 11,800 levels. So right now it is trying to skew the movement towards downside. As we can see, lower lows are getting created. However, for the day till the time it trades above 11,300, do not sell. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards, coming to oversold zone. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you can sell at 300, buy at 400. On the upside, 440, 500 levels are the next resistance zone, and beyond that, you can see it landing for 11,600, 660, and plus levels. On the downside, trading below 11,300, you can expect 11,240, 200 as the major support, and if it drops below 11,200, you can expect 11,120, 11,000. Downside is open, sky is wide open. It can crash if it continues to drop like yesterday. I don't think that it is going to repeat this. The expiry day today, we will also try to pull it a little up. Hence, my recommendation that it may try to trade bullish. Take your positions accordingly. Now, let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now, US30 on the hourly charts, you can see lower lows are getting created. It has seen a drop till 33,000 and since then reversed. At the same time, lower highs, higher lows are getting created. Yes, if you see it trading below 33,150 levels, you can expect 33,100, very strong support, and then 33,000, and only below 33,000 you can expect the bearishness to prevail. At the same time, trading above 33,300, you can expect 33,400, which is achievable and which is definitely a stronger resistance level. Now, previously I told you several times that it is a very strong support. Now it is going to be a little stronger resistance, and then trading above 33,400, again it may get pulled back into the bullish zone. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic at the highs looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and this is bullish. It has crossed over at the bottom and potentially it may continue with the bullish momentum for a little while. RSI trading oversold, trying to look upwards. Look at the 2-hour charts here. On the 2-hour charts, this signaling a reversal. However, only and only if it trades below 33,150, consider this for a good sell. At the same time, trading above 33,300, we can buy. So for this 150 points, I will not recommend you to take any position. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge. The RSI is trading at the bottom near to oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see consolidation phase, let it break out either which ways. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold trying to come out. MACD has seen the extremes there. There is the possibility for it to converge from here, and RSI is trading at bottom. Likewise on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour chart. See, wait for it to give you a breakout. The breakout can bring little more bulls. 33,400, 33,600 levels on the upside are achievable. On the downside, below 33,000 levels only, you can expect that little bearishness to be seen. However, trading at 33,150, you can expect 33,100, 34,000 and below that a good crash. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is bearish here, trying to converge a bit. RSI trading oversold near to the bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, US30 has come to 33,000 levels, which is certainly a very strong support level. And breaking below 33,000, the next step which appears to be achievable is 32,500 levels and 32,000 level. If it sustains below 33,000, it can bring little more bearishness. So this is one observation which is a very strong observation. Also look at the behavior of US30. Single rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, higher highs and then lower lows. So we have seen almost a 2,000 points of swing since till now in this week. Now see this, the pivot here is at 34,000 levels, and only if US30 trades above 34,000, you can consider this as bullish. Right now, yes, it has the potential for it to reverse if it tries to continue in this bullish triangle. Not bullish triangle, but bullish momentum. It has to sustain. It has to trade above 34,000 levels again. Till the time it trades below 34,000 levels, the tendency will be downwards. One has to remain cautious, and also one has to remain cautious of the downside, which is very limited. If it breaks past 33,000, then it will open the opportunities for it to crash strongly on the downside. So take your trades accordingly. Already it is trading below my favorite and strongest support at 33,400, which it has breached yesterday. I'll wait for it to re-enter above those levels so that it can get good support on the downside. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 150 and 300 levels. That is 33, 150 and 300. On the upside, 33,400, 33,600 levels could be potentially achievable. On the downside, below 33,000 levels, you can expect a little more drop. Till the time, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.